My name is Pooja Bhosle, currently working as assistant professor with AISSMS CHMCT. In general, a hotel designates a standard rate for each category of room offered to guests. Apart from the standard rates, hotels also offer discounted rates to attract additional business from multiple market segments. Hotels have various room rates designated as we are going to be studying in this PPT. Rack rate. Hotels generally fix a standard rate for each category of rooms offered for accommodation to the guest. The standard rate of a particular type of room before any discounts is called as rack rate. Traditionally, a rate board was placed near the room rack and hence the name rack rate. The tariff card of the hotel should mention the taxes applicable on the room rents. Corporate rate. This is generally a promotional rate to attract the corporate market segment. The corporate rate is generally 10 to 20% lower than the rack rate. Seasonal rate. Depending on the desirability of a location at a particular time of the year, destinations have high, low, and shoulder seasons. Destinations such as hill stations or beaches receive heavy tourist traffic during particular period of the year. The rest of the year is a lean period in terms of tourism. The duration when the tourist traffic at a particular place is high is known as the peak season. When the demand for the hotel rooms drops down, it is known as the off season. During peak season, hotels do not offer any discounts. Rather, they may charge a higher room rate known as seasonal rate. In order to attract the guests during low demand period, hotels offer a discounted rate known as off-season rate. Hotels in these locations mention their seasonal and off-seasonal rates clearly on the tariff card. For example, rainy season is off-season in Shimla, whereas winters and summers are season times as visitors go there to see snow in winters and to escape to the heat during summers. Advance purchase rate is a very popular concept in the airline industry. This concept is new in the hospitality industry. It entails heavy discounts on room rates and when room bookings are done in advance. The rate of discount depends on the advance period and the number of rooms available at the time of booking. That is, a hotel may offer more discount for a room that is booked 2 months in advance compared to the room that is booked 15 days in advance. The advance booking of rooms ensures a certain amount of revenue at a given time and thus helps the management in planning a revenue management strategy. Weekday or weekend rate. Some of the hotels observe a fluctuation in their occupancy levels with regards to the day of the week. The demand for rooms in hotels is perhaps more on certain days in a week. Hotels analyze their demand levels over a period of time and fix a higher rate during high demand period and a low rate during low demand period. In vacation or resort hotels, the weekend rates would be higher than the weekday rates as the demand for the rooms is higher during the weekends. It would be vice versa in case of a business hotel or a commercial hotel. Day and half day rate. The day rate charged from the guest not staying overnight at a hotel is lower than the rack rate. For instance, if a guest checks in at 10 a.m. and checks out the same evening at around 5 p.m., he or she may not be charged the day rate. However, all hotels may not have day rates. Sometimes a guest might wish to stay for a very short duration of time, not exceeding 5 hours. For example, a transit traveler who has to catch a flight in a few hours might want to take rest in a hotel, or a person might want to rent a room for a short business meeting. In these cases, the half day rate, which is a bit higher than the numerical half of the rack rate, is charged to the guest. Group rate. Since a large group, more than 15 persons, provides bulk business to a hotel, it offers discounted rates to groups. These group rates depend on the number of persons in the group and the frequency of their visits. The rates are negotiated by the sales team of the hotel and the representatives of the group. Wholesale rates or tour group rates. These are heavily discounted rates for wholesalers who operate a series of tours for groups arriving and departing together. For example, a tour operator may conduct a week's tour of the Golden Triangle, which is Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, Delhi, on the 2nd, 12th, and 22nd of every month for groups of 20 people. The tour operator guarantees the hotel that it would provide this series of business every month for a period of 1 year. In return, the hotel offers a heavy discount to the operator and allocates or blocks rooms for the series for the entire year. Travel agent rate. Travel agents generally sell travel products such as hotel rooms or airline bookings on a commission basis to the end user. They provide a substantial volume of business to the hotels. Hence, hotels offer them special discounts and commissions. Some of the major travel agencies are Cox and Kings, Thomas Cook, etc. Volume guaranteed rate. Hotels offer a special rate lower than the rack rate to attract high volume of business from special market segments. A hotel may have a contractual agreement with a company according to which the company's representatives are entitled to a special discount rate when they reserve a room in the hotel. The percentage of the discount will depend on the volume of business promised and the mutual understanding between the hotel and the company at the time of making the agreement. A frequent business customer might be offered a continental plan at the standard room rate. Airline or crew rate. It is a special discounted rate for the crew of one or more airlines that offer certain volume of business throughout the year on a consistent and continuous basis. Government rates. When government officials travel for official work, they are given a travel allowance to cover their hotels, meal, and other out of pocket expenses based on their designation. This amount is fixed and given in advance. A hotel interested in catering to this segment may quote room rates that match their travel allowance. The hotel may ask for proof of identity from guests before they can avail the government rates. Educational rates. Educational rates are special rates offered by hotels to students and educationists who have a limited travel budget. They are significant sources of business because of their large numbers and frequency of visits. They provide a large chunk of repeat business to hotels. Membership rates. Membership rates are offered to guests who are members of influential organizations that provide high volume of business to hotels. The membership rates are much lower than the rack rates and may also include discounts on food and beverage. Special discounted rates are given to FHRAI members, UN employees, and travel writers, etc. Introductory rate. The introductory rate is offered by hotel on the opening of a new property in the town. It is a part of a new hotel's marketing strategy to make inroads into the existing market by offering a lower price than what is offered by competitors with the same standards. In general, the introductory rate is offered till the hotel is established or it may be revoked as per the management's decision. Complimentary rate. When a hotel does not charge the room rent for a guest, it is known as a complimentary rate. Hotels generally offer complimentary rooms, also called comp rooms, to the tour or group leader. They also offer comp rooms to tour operators, travel agencies, and local dignitaries who are vital to the public relations program of the hotel. Hotels also provide complimentary rooms along with marriage packages and bulk booking. Crib rate. This is the rate charged for children above 5 years and below 12 years of age accompanying their parents. The hotel provides a crib bed in the room for infants. Package rates. A package rate is quoted for a bouquet of products or services. The rate is generally lower than the sum of the prices of individual products or services offered in the bouquet. These rates are tailor made for specific guest requirements. A package rate may include room rent, meals, special arrangements, and may also include products and services offered by other service providers such as transportation and sightseeing. A package rate is more economical than the individual purchase of each of the products and services. It is a marketing strategy to sell the slow moving items along with the hot selling products. Moreover, when the products and services are sold in a bunch, the cost of individual advertisements is cut down. The money thus saved from the hotels is passed on to the guest in the form of low prices. Meeting package rates. A complete meeting package includes the residential arrangement of the delegates, meeting room, food and beverage requirement, along with transportation facility, audiovisual equipment like projectors to the meeting delegates. Meal package. A meal package is a combination of room rent and meals which may cover all major meals of a combination of breakfast and lunch or dinner. The hotel offers meal packages based on the requirement of the guest and the sustainability of the hotel's operations. The various meal plans offered by the hotels are discussed at length in the previous section. Marriage package. A marriage package includes all the necessary arrangements for marriage such as mandap, priest, party hall and lawn, accommodation for the marriage party arrangements, arrangements of reception buffet, and even a complimentary room or suite for the newly wed couple. Holiday package. A holiday package includes transportation, accommodation, meals, guide, and sightseeing at a destination. In general, the package includes non hotel products from other service providers like airlines, taxis, cabs, etc. Thank you. Kindly attempt the quiz. The link is given below in the description.